So I got these coolant for about $20, and the water pump. Okay, wait, and the water pump is about $80 too. This is what it looks like.
Right now.
And this is the part number.
Now, this is important.
Okay, wait. And the dry belt is also about $80. And here's the part number. And I also bought some black sealer gasket. I can't remember how much this was, but you can also get it at Advance Auto or whatever for pretty cheap. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna drain the coolant, and the drain that's right here. So just put a bucket out there and just drain it. Okay, after that, we're going to take out the negative battery because we're going to take out the alternator. And just put it somewhere around here. But if you want to be safe, just put a napkin around here, like this. I always just put a napkin here just in case it fly back and hit it. So, wait, why is it only 1 minute already? So before doing the water pump and take out the alternator, we have to take out the belt first. And before we take out the belt, we have to draw the picture how the belt. Draw the picture of how the belt goes. So if you're looking at it, this is top, this is bottom, and the belt. This is how the belt go around. So make sure you draw how the belt is supposed to be in. So when you put it back, it'll be like this. I mean, you know, this is the one of the best drawn I did, but you know, see, can you do better? Okay. So this is the tensioner right here. So when you put I guess it's a 19. When you put the 19 in here, you pull toward the engine to loosen the belt, then take it out. So make sure it's all in and pull forward you like this. And you see the belt getting loose. And now you can just slide the belt out. So after you take out the belt, you can see that it's all shiny and dry. So this is a good time to change it. Okay, and so now we're gonna take out the alternator. And first thing we're gonna do is going to take out this connector here. Then after that, this one, and we're gonna take this one off. Okay. So this one's off. Now I'm going to take this one off. It's a 10. And this 10, I always put it back, so I won't lose it. And also this connector, I'm going to take out. And also going to take out this. The reason I'm taking this out is just to give some slack. So I can move the wire back and forth. So there's 2 bolts that's holding the alternator. And the 2 bolts that's holding the alternator is this one here. And the bottom of this. It's like a trail somewhere over here. Wait. See if we can feel it. Right there. This is the other bolt that you need to take out. So we're going to take out this 14 first. When you're doing this, make sure you don't hit this part when you go up. So be careful. You can just push this to the sides, but be careful hitting this. And the next one is this 14 here, which you take out. So time to take out the alternator. So just the reason now you can just push this wire to the side and use a pry bar to pry it out, or you can try and yank it out first. Oh, it came off. If it didn't come out, like if you yank it out, it didn't come out, just get a pry bar, just pry it right here, and it should come right out. And this is how you get the alternator out. Later on, when you put this alternator back, you're gonna have a hard time sometime because, example, when you put this in back, it's gonna hit this lip here. So you might have a hard time. So there's a trick to this that I'm gonna show you. So the trick is we're gonna push this little lip back in a little bit. So when you put it back, the alternator is gonna be easy going. And this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna spray some WD-40 first on the lips. And I'm gonna use this nut I took out last time. And screw in, couple thread in. Make sure you go enough. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a hammer and hit it a little bit, so you can see the lip move down a little bit. So when you put in back later, it'll be easy. Like that. See, if you look at it, you can see it moving now. So later on, when you put it back in, it should just go straight in there.